Hey guys, welcome back to this Gasket that I mean 2010 Honda Odyssey. Straight to the point. Alright, we're gonna do the valve cover gasket, I'm saying. So first we're gonna remove this guy. I'm gonna do this. Okay, that's a 10mm. Alright. This too. Okay. So let's get it. Hey, don't forget to support the channel, leave the tip on the table since you're watching this for free. Yeah, that I mean. Or watch the ad all the way through, okay? Don't skip it. Alright? That's the only way you can tip me. Alright? Or support me. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. Subscribe. Do that too. Click on the bell. Every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. And share this video and the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think. Alright, so we're gonna do this. Okay, eventually we're gonna have to remove this. I have to remove this coil connectors, the same in the back. Okay, this little guy right here. Alright, let's get it. There. So we're gonna do this guy, this guy. So we're gonna do this guy. It's a clamp. It's just a regular clamp. It's clamp 2 over here. This is gonna be 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Alright. Let's go here. So I remove those. I'm gonna remove this. Just click it here. Pull it. Alright. I'm gonna try to isolate this guy by itself. Okay, it's ready to come out though. I just gotta like unplug it. So I'm trying to decide if I do it here, clamp here, or here, here. Two things. Or here, or just here. Okay. Oh, and this guy right here too, a clamp. Okay, this one. So as you can see, I disconnect this hose. You know, clamp here, disconnect it here first, then disconnect it here. Okay, then these two lines. Okay, this guy that goes here, this guy, this hose, and that's ready to come out. I'm just gonna need 2 hands to lift it. And don't forget this guy. Just pinch it and pull it back. Alright, so now that we'll remove the intake, probably might as well just remove this too. Okay, it's not really on my way so far, but alright. Now I'm gonna disconnect this guys. 3, okay. So it's in the back. Just pinch it and push it back. There's the clips here. Just push it like that. This one too. Push it out. Okay. I already pulled it out though. This one. EGR. Push it. Press it. And pull it out. There's another one over here. This one. One over here. Over here. Put it back again. Gotta do that connector over there. Two connectors. This one and this one. Now you disconnect those. Put it to the side. Just like that. Now remove the coils. 1, 2, 3. 10 millimeter. This one's wet. Okay, now 10 millimeter. 10, push, 10. The small ones go there. Then here, this is a long one. This is a long one. This is a long one. Short, short. Try to come out, just like that. Just like that. Alright, so you're gonna have to clean all that with a rag and some brake cleaner, maybe a blade. Use a blade or a Scotch-Brite sponge. Clean it. Okay. I got the cover gasket kit over here. Before I forget, don't forget to replace this guy too. Okay. You remove it, clean the base, clean underneath, like down here. Okay, the same as this. When you put this thing back, the cover gasket, put some sealing here. Okay, there in the corner, there in the corner. Okay, pretty much I do that. Okay. It's good that this gasket is not brittle, like toasted, I'm saying. So you just pull it like that. Make sure where these things go. There's another one over here. Just so you guide yourself. Okay. But I think I got the wrong gasket though. Okay, if you want to remove this pain in the ass seals, or rings, whatever you want to call it, from here. Because if you do it like this, it's not gonna work, right? I have a video on the Toyota how to do this, but I'm gonna do it different now. Put it right there. You get it with a light hammer like that. And it comes out. Your previous guy, I can tell he fucked it up good. See that? This thing right here, this thing, fucked it up good. So I'm gonna do this with this cover, with the rear cover. This is the front cover. Okay, we're still on the front. I checked the gasket, the new one. That's the old one. The new one's over there. It's good. So I'm just gonna change this, clean it. I'm gonna remove and clean it, and put the new ones on. Put the gasket on, and put it back. This thing's gonna go like this. I gotta like push with a rubber mallet. shit. Nah, this guy's just push it down. Okay. Put the new one the same way. I would spray some WD-40 just so you to slide with no problem. I'm gonna use the ceiling. Alright. Rain sauce, whatever you pronounce it. Okay. Right here. It's coming. Not much. In here. Really. So just adjusting or tight it. I did it with the electric ratchet just to make it faster though, but I gotta do it by hand. Now you're gonna feel when it's like hard though, because it has like a limiter, if you want to call it like that. The bolt is designed like that to stop. And you just snug it. Like that. Then just snug it. Pretty much. Do the same in the back. Alright. If you have any questions about the rear one, the right back cover, that's the right, this is the left, or front, rear, whatever you want to call it. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Don't forget the tip. Leave the tip on the table. The only way you can help me is by, watching the ad. Watch the whole ad, okay? Go through it. Don't skip it. That's how you can help me. Other than that, yeah, subscribe to my channel. Do that, please. If you like the video, click on the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Alright. Oh, click the bell. Every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. Alright. That's pretty much it. Holla at your boys. See you in the next one. I'm out. Oh, this was a 2010 Honda Odyssey. How to do the back cover, okay, and change this gasket too. Alright. Holla at your boy. Estuvo por un. I'm out now.